Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need charged earbuds and a Bluetooth device. Start now. Put both earbuds in the case and charge until the case LED is solid. Once done, open the case close to your phone and enable Bluetooth so your device can scan. If the Hammerhead do not appear, press and hold the pairing button in the case for 2-3 seconds to force pairing mode. This step gets you into discovery fast. It prevents confusion with other nearby devices and saves time. After the earbuds enter pairing mode, choose Razer Hammerhead on your phone and accept any pairing prompts. You should hear a voice prompt when connection succeeds. Next, make sure you fit the correct ear tips. A good seal improves bass, call quality, and ANC effectiveness. Then open the Razer Audio app to check firmware and set EQ presets, keeping firmware current fixes bugs and enables features. Together, these steps give reliable connection and the best sound. Now learn the touch controls and test them. Tap, double tap, or press to manage playback and ANC, knowing controls speeds use. Keep the earbuds clean, remove ear tips, and gently brush mesh weekly to avoid audio dropouts. If you hit a connection or audio problem, reset. Put both earbuds in the case and hold the pairing button for about 10 seconds until LEDs flash, then repair. If issues persist, try another phone to isolate device versus earbud faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.